Thank you.
Okay. So I'm sharing my screen. I'll take it afresh. Can you see my screen, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me, okay. So what I did is I explained that the first step is you install Power BI. This is your Power BI. Everything you see here is what I have zipped for you one after the other. So when you unzip it, this is what you are going to see in your Power BI. Rather than you start looking for installation file. So I've downloaded for you, install your Power BI by right-clicking on it, by run as an administrator, follow through. That's how to install your desktop. That shouldn't be a problem. Am I okay with that?
Yes, sir.
Good. So the next one is if you don't have any SQL installed on your system, please underline that. Some of us have done something on SQL before. Some of us have done some personal study. Some of us have done some training on SQL. If you have done something and you've installed SQL on your system, you don't need to bother yourself about number 2. But if you have not installed SQL on your system, then you come to this file, SQL Express, the one you download, SQL Express 64-bit. Double click on it after you unzip it. Right click on the setup file, run as administrator. So it's going to come up with this page for you. This is what you are going to see, and you have to click the first one. The first one, click on it, and it's going to install SQL Express for you. Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
Please give me 1 minute. You took my light now because of my monitor. Just hold on for me. Yeah. Sorry, back. I'm back now.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Sorry for good. So I was at this point for your SQL Express installation. You click the first one and you follow through. Okay. Then the next thing is so after your SQL Express, and I said you will install your SQL Management Studio. There is no interface for your SQL Express. There is no way you will interact with it except via the Management Studio. Right-click on it and install it. You right-click on it like this and click on Run as Administrator. Okay? So when you finish that, then you come to your Windows or click on Search, type your SS, sorry, type your SS, coming, okay. SSMS. When you type SSMS here, it's going to come up with this SQL Server Management Studio. You click on it. Okay. So it's going to show up this page. It's going to show us something like when it's starting. So, and I said at the first initial installation, when you first launch it, it's going to come up with this. And I ask you to copy this thing. This is your server name. Copy it and put it in a notepad. We will use it by the time we want to connect Power BI to SQL Server. And I also ask you to install your SQL as Windows authentication. That is, make use of the Windows credentials I used to log in onto my laptop. That's Windows authentication. Okay? So when you click on connect, you will have it this way. Let me reduce my screen. Okay? You have it like this. And I said, supposing that small area where you see your SQL, the server name, if it cancels and you don't know, come to this place, click on this connect, and click on database engine. It's going to bring it back for you. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Okay. So having done this, for you to restore back the database I gave you here, oh, sorry. I gave you a database backup. This is what I have. Forget about this 3 items. This is the one you need. The middle one here is a backup file. It contains all the files that we will use in simulating our lab. All the file needed is here. You want to restore this back to your SQL Express. Because your SQL Express is fresh, I don't expect it to have any database. So you have to restore it. You come to this database there, right click, click on restore database. You click on this, it's going to come up with this screen. On this screen, you will see device there. Click on the radio button beside device. When you are through with that, come to look at the box in front of the device. In front of it, there is an ellipse sign there, 3 dotted points. Click on it. It's a browser. You want to look for where that file is on the system. So you click on Add. So when you look at Add, it's going to come up with this. You are going to look for where you downloaded that file on your system. Look at my own. My own is downloaded in, let me drip back. It's a long journey for me because of some things I'm doing on my system. See, I have my folder in my own case. I have training. So let me go there and say, Drive C. Please, are you following me? Hello? Hello,
Yes,
class. Okay. So whatever I am doing here, take note that it has to be where you downloaded your own, the folder you created. So mine is in my folder. It's in a training. Then I have this in my own, though it's not compulsory my own. Yours. So Power BI here. Then I have Power BI Essentials in my own for reasons. Sorry. Yeah, it's here. So under this place, I have it under these tools. So see my backup. So you click on the backup. So what I'm saying is you look for folder, make sure you know the basis of your folder. Mine is in Drive C. Look at it on top. Drive C, my folder. Know the part of the folder where you downloaded it. When you now get to the database backup, click on it. It's going to show this. Then you double click on the one you want to restore. You select it, click OK. So it's going to bring it to this part for you. Can you see? It's going to bring it to this place for you. Okay, that's the file you want to restore from. If I click OK now, it's going to do restore for me. Because I have done it before, I don't need to click OK here. Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
Is there anything that is not clear here? Any question for me? Any question? So this is what I ask you to do. So because I've restored on my own system, so I will just cancel it here. So this is my own here. This is the file I asked you to restore. Let me show you briefly. When you click the plus sign beside it, click the one beside the tables. Okay. So look at all the data that you have here. DIM account, DIM currency, DIM customer, DIM date, department group, employee. These are all the tables we will work with in Power BI. So that is why we are doing it ahead of our class. You can imagine that if we are doing this within our 2 hours class, we will not do anything reasonable that day. Am I communicating, please?
Yes, sir.
So any question for me?
Now, is it possible to have two SQL on the same system, sir?
You don't need to reinstall, you don't need to install another one again. No. The moment you have it on your system,
Yes, sir.
leave it. Just all you need to do is that the one you have on your system, simply come to database, right click, restore. That is all you need to do. Don't install any SQL database again. Just restore your database there.
But if it's not 2020, they said if it's not 2020 version, you can't take the 2020.
Then depends on what you are doing with database on your system. You might have to uninstall the one there and install the 2020. I don't think there is anything you will be doing on your system that could go beyond SQL Express. Are you doing any business on your system?
No, I just have some.
Do you have live data on your system?
No. I don't have. I only have local.
Whatever, I'm sure whatever you are doing is about practicing SQL, do some things on SQL. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
SQL Express is okay for you. You have to uninstall what you have on your system before you install this. Simple.
Okay, sir.
And the only thing is that whatever database you have there, you must find a way of back them up. Then you now reinstall here. If it's not a generic database. If it's not a generic database like this that you are working with, right click on, let's assume I want to back up this. You right click on this database. Okay. Come to task. Click on backup. So it's going to, can you see? It's going to create a file for you.
Okay, sir.
So say back up to, then the next thing is where am I to disk. It's telling me the part is going to back up with. So in case, if this is not the part you want, you can click on add and locate a part for yourself. Suppose I want to back up in my folder. I'll click on add, this add. I will click on this three ellipse. Then let's assume I choose to back it up on here is my folder. In here. Okay. I come to Power BI here, and I choose to back it up on the. So if I choose to back it up on this folder, this one, or I just want to put it here, I just click. Oh, that's telling me. Okay. So sorry. Let me see what I've done. Okay, I think SQL Express is not allowing me to change my paths. Okay, it's one of the short definitions of this. See, you take note of this part when you want to back up. Can you see this part? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Take note of it has its own shortcut. It's not a complete SQL server. So it's choosing the file path for me, and it's telling me that program files, Microsoft SQL Server, Microsoft SQL 16 Express, this. You take note of this part, probably you will write it down if need be. Okay, then quick one, let me do something here. Let me snap it. Because otherwise you will not be able to see the part. So let me minimize this. If I click OK now, so it's telling me that it's executing my backup. Okay, it has finished it. Okay, now let me bring up this. So you now go to your drive C here. Okay, it's telling me program files. So program files should be somewhere here. Here is program files. Double click on it. It's telling me Microsoft SQL Server. Here is Microsoft SQL Server. Double click on it. Then you see MS SQL. Look at the MS SQL Express. Then MS SQL here, this. Then you see backup in it. Continue. It's telling me I don't have permission on my system. So this is your backup. Hope you understand what I'm explaining here.
Yes,
In case, if you want to uninstall your system and you have database there that you don't want to lose, back it up. Okay? Back it up first. Back it up first. So when you finish your backup, any database you have there, then you can now come and uninstall it and reinstall your SQL Express. So do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Good. But in case you don't have anything, just on this. And how do you uninstall? Come to this place, look for your add, and add or remove program. This, click on it. So here you scroll down here. Oh, sorry. This other remove program. You look for your Microsoft SQL Server there. So this is your Microsoft SQL Server. Click on any of them. You can uninstall. You uninstall your. If you have Studio before, you don't need to uninstall your Studio. Just all these 3 files that belongs to Microsoft SQL. That's when you uninstall, then you install back again your SQL Express. Shikina. Any question?
Okay. Yes. I was going to ask, like you mentioned earlier, if you already have like SQL on the system, there's no need to install this one. So I'm asking now, does it matter the type of SQL? If I already have Postgres, there's no need to install this one too.
No. Postgres is different from Microsoft. Postgres is not Microsoft SQL.
So I'm having issues because I use Mac and I'm having issues getting Microsoft products on it.
Install on it.
Yes, the Power BI and this one as well. So
How do I? There is somebody that got this thing right in my. Talk to Wumi that some of the people we took during the pre-class, one of them understood how to handle Mac. They will guide you. Yeah, it was with them.
okay.
Then you can also Google for a guideline or the YouTube for. I don't use Mac. I use Microsoft, but there's nothing wrong with you using your Mac. It's not that you need to find a way of understand to work around it. That's all.
All right, I'll talk to Wumi because I'll try to do research too as well. I'll talk to her if she can give me access to the person. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Any other question? So I believe we are all we are all good now.
No, sorry.
Okay, please talk to me.
This server, the server name is
Look
not
at
working.
my screen. Click on connect on your SQL database. When you launch your studio, click on connect database engine. You will see your server name here.
Okay.
Yes. And I said copy this guy and keep on the notepad.
Okay.
Yeah. Another thing.
Is that it's not showing the server name. I went to the Connect database engine, but it's not coming up.
Can you share your screen?
Can I? Yeah, I can share my screen.
Somebody want to say something. I can hear. Can I? Somebody was about to talk. Hello? Somebody was about to say something. Okay.
I raised my hand. Good evening, everybody. Sorry, I got the link very late, but I could see that the session is being recorded, so I'll catch up from where I lost.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me stop sharing. Somebody want to show me something.
Okay.
Stop share. So please, my lady, share your screen.
Okay,
Let's
sir.
see. I think somebody needs to make you a co-host. Okay, great.
Yeah, I'm sharing my screen already.
Okay, I've seen it.
Okay.
Click on connect. Let me see.
So this is it, right? Sorry.
This is my own screen, though.
No,
What's
you stop
happening here?
sharing your screen.
I'll stop sharing.
This is mine.
It can't be your own. This is my name now. What does that mean?
Okay, let me stop. I'll try again. Yes. Yeah, so
share again. Let me see. Click on the green share screen below.
Okay.
Why is it showing my name on your system?
Because I think because you were talking. So yeah, this is it.
No, I'm seeing something strange here. My name should not be on your system. Something is wrong. Click connect. Let me see what we do. Did you type my name in your system now?
I typed your name.
This thing should not be my name. This is my server name. It can't be yours.
Oh, okay.
Cancel this. You type this one here?
I thought that was the general server name.
No, it's not the general name. I'm wondering.
Okay.
Cancel this. The name should be there automatically.
Okay, so it wasn't there.
Cancel this one.
Let me open again.
Click on connect now. Let me see what it's going to show.
Okay.
Database ID. Your server name should be, look at what you have in this desktop. All this desktop up to G, type it on top. Let me see what is going to happen. Desktop,
what desktop?
HSC 776G. Type it inside the server name. Capital like that. Desktop, HSC 776G. Backslash now. Put your SQL Express there. Don't put calm down, Timilene.
Okay.
Put SQL Express there. Connect. Copy it first. Hold on, copy it first.
Okay. Yeah.
So click connect.
Connect. Okay.
If everything being called, that's your server. That's your server name.
Okay.
So click on this database now. Look at the plus sign beside the database. This plus sign, click on it. So you don't have database. So right click on the database. Right click on the database.
Is this it?
Now click on restore database. Restore.
Okay.
Click on it. Click on this radio button beside device. Hello? Look at
I'm with you,
device
sir.
here.
Device.
Look up, look at device.
Okay.
Hello? Up.
Right.
You are correct now. Come to this, look at on the right side of it. There is 3 ellipses here. On the right side of the database. Look at that device, there is a box. Look at the 3 ellipse sign. Oh yeah, go to this side. The 3 on the right side, right. Can you see that? You're almost there, right.
Okay.
Similarly, I am saying
My
right, I am
right.
going left.
Okay,
Now,
right.
click on it.
Okay.
So, click on add. Add.
Okay.
Yes, we want to add the file to reinstall. So, now, scroll this place up. This place, there is a scroll. Oh yeah, scroll up. Do you know where you downloaded everything I asked you to download? This is drive C. Can you locate the folder? I expect you to create a folder.
I did.
What's the name of the folder?
Timmy DA.
Where did you create that your Timmy DA? Go up.
It's on the desktop.
From what I can see here, you're already okay on the desktop. Yeah. Then you not see it here. Bring that minimize sorry. Can you minimize this screen? You won't see your desktop inside this place.
Okay.
Minimize everything. Okay. Minimize everything so that I can only see your desktop. You can cancel everything. Minimize. I want to see your desktop. Just minimize. You can cancel this guy for now. Cancel it. You come back to it.
Okay.
Cancel this SQL of a thing. Yeah. Cancel everything. Cancel. Cancel this one. This one now. Close it or cancel. So minimize or zoom. See hyphen on the top there. Cancel this. Cancel this. Oh yeah, minimize this one. Leave it. Close this that you left behind now. Click on the X. This one, the X here. Close. Timmy, do what I'm saying now. Cancel. Great. Yeah. So, minimize your WhatsApp chats.
Sorry.
There is an hyphen on top. Or drag it. Okay, minimize. So where is your Timmy DA?
This is the
okay,
folder.
right click on Timmy DA. Right click on it. Click on cut. Cut.
Cut, okay.
Cut. So go to your drive C. You know how to locate your drive C? Yeah. Okay. So right click here and paste. Paste. What is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Double click on it. Let me see what's inside. Okay. So you have, okay, look at your database. Double click on this database. You've not uninstalled this database, though. Oh yeah, extract it.
Should I close this?
Yes, now close it. Extract. And then that's all. Is it creating a folder for us? Yes, click OK. So close this one. So look at your database on top, double click on it. Look at it on top, double click on it. So you see your adventure work here now. So minimize this and bring up your SQL Server. Minimize this window now. See hyphen on top. See me.
Sorry, something is covering it. This Zoom thing is covering it.
Okay. No. Look at it. Find a way to drag it down.
Minimize.
See your hyphen sign on top.
This Zoom thing is covering it. I'm trying to get that out. Yeah.
Okay, good. So now bring up your Microsoft SQL now. How come you have 3 open? Okay, so click the remaining, close the remaining 2. Okay, so right click on your database now. What will stop in the middle? We want to do it now.
Okay.
Okay, device. Look at the device there. See me here, yeah? So come to the right. Okay, click on add. So now drag up so that you see your drive C now. Drag the arrow here, drag the scroll bar, yes, up. Okay, you're on drive C now. Can we locate your TMDA?
Yes.
Double click. Database, double click on database. Then select that one. Click OK. So you can say that brought it here. So click OK now.
Okay.
So click OK below. Oh, done. Click OK. Sorry, it's in the restore.
Okay.
Say database, this restore successfully.
Yeah.
Click OK. So can you see look at your database now? Look at it. Look at the plus sign. No, beside it. Look at the database just installed now, adventure work.
Okay.
See me calm down.
Yeah, the plus sign.
Yes, click that plus sign. Click the plus sign beside tables. So those are the tables we want to use for our project.
Okay.
That will be useful for our class.
Okay, sir.
So that takes me to the end of this short conversation.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So, any other question? I hope you are okay now.
I'm just sorry.
Oh, Biola, sorry. I can see you, Biola. Go on.
I don't know if you could have a few minutes to just help me go through my installation, if you don't mind, please.
Share screen, let's see.
Okay, thank you. I think I've got to.
Do you know how to share screen?
Yes, I've seen it. I'm trying to get it. I think I have to share my desktop itself.
Yeah, yes. Okay.
Can you see that now?
Yes.
So this is where I actually download. So I came here to Microsoft SQL Server 219. And then I have SQL Server Management Studio here.
Yeah.
So I click on that.
Yeah. It seems you already have SQL installed on your system before.
It's the same one, you know, the link you sent. I downloaded all
Okay.
But the issue
Okay.
I'm having is not, you know, when I connect the server is not, I don't know what the server name will be. So I think I got stuck there.
Let it load.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Good. See, easy to get. Come, don't bother yourself.
Okay.
This desktop -3G 9U2 JB. Type everything here into this upper one.
Okay.
Everything before Biola, type it inside that place as it is. That's your server name.
Okay. 3G 9U
2JB
2JB
//
Is that backslash?
No,
okay.
that's for
backslash, yeah.
Now type SQL Express.
SQL
Express. No?
Express.
Okay. Click connect. Hold on. Copy that thing you type there. Everything you see inside, copy everything. Put it on a notepad. We will use it later. So click on connect now.
Okay. Let me save this one, or I just quickly write it out.
Just get a notepad, write it on it. That's all.
Okay. All right.
So click connect.
All right, just a sec, please.
Okay.
All right, connect.
Before this many call, you should connect. What does it say?
Cannot connect to desktop.
Was not found or was not accessible.
But the video we watched that I used to do my own in the afternoon, the one they posted on the group, I don't think we had SQL Express to the name. It's just the name that just was there.
So am I to uninstall and try again?
Maybe you have to do that. I don't know. Click OK here. I shouldn't give this problem. Cancel it. Hold on.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, no problem. What's likely the problem? Close this page. Close this page.
So it means I have to. So I stop share now. Close. Oh no. Okay.
You stop sharing your screen.
Okay, sorry. So where should we go now?
Let me see. Go back to your SQL Server. How many times do you install your SQL Server?
I think it was just, is it once? Because what I did was, let me here. So if I go here, all the files, I think all the files are. So SSM setup, this one. So these are all the zip folders that you sent.
So where did you unzip it?
So
where did you unzip all of them?
I think all I was just doing was just to download it. So now the question will now be where?
No, you know what? You know what? Go back. I saw some error here. Copy these folders that you have here, all these items. Copy all of them.
All of them?
Yes. Okay. Cut save. Right click.
Yeah.
Okay, if you have enough space, copy first. Copy.
Okay, copy.
Go to drive C.
Yeah, drive C should be here.
Yeah. Right click here and create a folder. Create folder and give it the name of your choice.
I'll just data.
No space. No, that name is too long.
Okay, I'll just put data.
Just say data Anna. That's all. Data ANA. Okay. Enter. Double click on it. So right click and paste. Okay. Now, right click on SQL Express. So we want to uninstall it. Right click. No, click. You select everything. Deselect this. Right click now. Extract all. Click on extract all.
And I click
okay.
extract.
Click OK. So you do that for others when you are set.
Okay. So what it's doing is just unzipping the zip, the file, isn't it? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So now, why is doing that? Go to your window. Go to your window.
Okay.
Type add and remove. Add and remove. Add and remove. ADD and remove. Click on it. That's it.
Oh, it's just sorry. This one.
Yes, click on it. Okay, scroll down and locate your SQL server here. Scroll down here. Scroll down. Microsoft SQL. You've installed some Microsoft SQL before on this system now.
Yes, that's the one I clicked to show you, and then it was showing that error message.
You had database on it before?
Database.
Did you use it for anything?
No.
Okay. Click on this SQL Server 2022 setup in English. Click on it. Leave this studio. There's nothing wrong with the studio. Click on it.
This
Don't just
one.
point. Click on it. Don't just uninstall.
Uninstall.
Yes, click on install. Are you seeing any message?
Yes, I think it says preparing to remove.
Okay. Okay.
I think this one is from the
No, just minimize this. Don't worry. Minimize.
Okay.
Let's go back to where we are there. Is it preparing to remove?
Yes, that's what it says.
You have to hold on.
Yes, okay.
Yuri.
So I'll say yes here.
Okay, it's asking you a question.
Yeah, so I've clicked yes. It says allow,
okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Double click on this Microsoft System CLR. Double click on yes, uninstall it.
There's a message, so I say yes.
Yeah, preparing to remove. Okay, scroll down. Let me see if there are any other thing below. This Microsoft VSS Writer, double click on it and uninstall it. No, see below.
Okay, I've seen it.
Yes. Uninstall, okay.
Yes, I've done that.
Okay, good. Close this window. Close the window. Good. Now, double click on SQL Express that will expand. Before we do that, uninstall your database. Right click on database there.
Okay.
Extract all. So click extract. Okay. So close this one. Close it. Okay. So double click on SQL Express now.
The one that is extracted, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Double click on it.
Yeah.
Double click on it is just a folder inside folder. Okay. Right click on the setup. The setup is, look at the setup, the one that has green arrow beside it.
Yes, I've done that.
And no, you've not done it. Click on it and right click. Click on this.
Click and right click. Okay.
Yes. So say run as administrator.
Okay.
Sorry, Lord, we agreed to 7:30 already. You guys you have tight schedule. I always want to keep to your time. Oh, yeah, bring that in up. Click the first item.
This new SQL Server standard.
Yes, click on it.
Hi guys, we need to wrap up. It's already 8. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. So Biola,
sir,
I hope you can gather strength from here.
I'm not sure. So what do I do after this one?
Wumi, can you just spare us about 2 or 3 minutes? Let's see what Biola will bring up with. Sorry.
Okay, so I'm going to stop the recording and put you in a breakout room. Then you can spend 1 hour there. Thank you.